Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I want to show you how to troubleshoot Simple's bill pay issues in 2025. If you're having issues with bill pay on Simple, this video is going to give you a couple of ways that you can troubleshoot those issues. Let's get into it. Now, the first, you can check your bill pay history. So you can check your bill pay history if you want to see if the payment was processed. All you got to do is just log into your Simple account and then navigate to the bill pay tab. You can also just check the payment status to see if the payment is pending or if it has been cancelled. You can review the payment details to identify potential issues. And in case there are issues, you could also just contact the biller to see if they've received the payment. Just reach out to the biller's customer support team to inquire about the status of the payment. And assuming that they can't do anything about it, you could just contact Simple's customer support team for further assistance, and they might be able to help you to resolve whatever is going wrong with the bill pay issue. That's pretty much it on how to troubleshoot Simple bill pay issues in 2025. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys